Hello, ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com, doing a really quick video recap on ticker VERI. Right now what you're looking at is a daily chart, but let's focus in on price action. Starting around, let's say mid-October, stock is up an impressive 22% on the day, north of 23%, hit a high of $8, closed at $6.90, so definitely there was a bit of selling today, despite being up around 22%. So for me, considering that we hit $8 today, you go back to November 13, we also hit $8. We closed at $6.90, which is closer to the low of the day of $6.35. I'm expecting more selling going into tomorrow. I think we just placed in a double top on a shorter term time frame. So I'm relatively bearish on ticker VERI. What else do we have? All right, we have CRON, ticker CRON. We're up slightly, I want to say a little bit under 1% on the day. Full disclosure, this was a pick in the premium member trading community. We got in right here at around support back in August, I want to say, when the stock went to around low to mid fives. We rode it all the way up to the high of around 1530. Stock pulled back most recently. Went as low as $6.50, didn't quite get to that $5 area. Even with this pullback, I was still relatively bullish on ticker CRON and the marijuana space as a whole. We're sitting here at 1288, piercing that second resistance of around, or rather kind of hanging out around that second resistance of $13. If we can sustain this move, meaning if we can remain above let's say $12.50, I think we're going to retest $15.30. And if we retest that, I can see the stock putting up more gains. Still bullish on ticker CRON. What else do we have? All right, ticker BPMX. I haven't done a video recap on BPMX for quite some time now. So you're looking at a daily chart here dating back to around November of 2017. The stock broke this support level of around 20 cents back in October when the entire market sold off, and since then it has failed to recover. We've tried several times in November. We've tried to sort of retest or back test that one support now resistance area of 20 cents. Can't seem to do it, can't seem quite to get up there. We're breaking down. Closed today at 13 cents. The low of the day was around 12 cents. So definitely it seems like there's extreme weakness in BPMX, but in my opinion, there's always a trade. If you're looking for a trade on the long side, I think it's going to revisit support of around 10 cents, which we haven't seen since around late last year, December 2017, January 2018. If you're looking for a trade, definitely wait until it gets a support of around 10 cents and just play that bounce. I think from a risk reward perspective, you'll be good. What else do we have? All right, ticker AKAO, again, a daily chart. I generally like to trade in the direction of the trend, and this trend is actually in a decline. So for a longer term trade, it wouldn't make sense to go long. However, it seems as though the stock has been bottoming since November, right? It seems like, again, stock has been in a decline. If you go further out, this chart just goes back to February of 2018. But if you take like an elongated view and you go back out a few months or a few years, you'll see that ticker AKAO has been in a steady decline. However, we have been trading sideways since mid-November. So I think there can be a trade on the long side. If you buy at support, I think you'd be able to get that slight bounce to resistance of around 215. So there is potentially a trade on the long side. I wouldn't go long here at 168 from a risk reward perspective. Doesn't make sense. I'd wait for it to come back down a little bit. Let's kind of cap it here. ShortMeTina from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video recap or these videos, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss any. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com. Sign up. Become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, truly, 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 thank you for the support.